the new update in Animal Company, and I will be here with my friend GTagCat32. Subscribe to him on YouTube. He is, yeah, that's him. Yeah. Okay. But anyways, yeah, make sure you subscribe to him, and let's go on, I guess. Yeah, because the beginning of this game, like when you log in now, it's like a circus, and there's also a TV again. So I guess let's. I'm honestly just gonna get a flashlight. I don't even feel like getting weapons and stuff like I usually do. Well, I guess I will get a backpack. Okay, well, actually, I'll get a backpack in a. I'll get a backpack and a pickaxe. Alright, I'm ready. Here. Wait. Now! This is for you. That's for you. That's for you. Alright guys, let's jump in. This place is cool. Oh, it echoes. It's echoey. Listen, like if you yell really loudly, it echoes. What does it say? Team canopy, employ all hand. Oh, not this employment stuff again. Wait, is that the Is that the office? Wait, what? Oh wait, before we jump into the office, let's just look around a little bit. Yeah. Okay, wait, I actually have a theory. By the way, why is this table so big? Like, actually. I have a theory. I feel like in there, because the office is obviously already a thing, I feel like it's gonna be some type of circus. I feel like it's gonna be a trick. Alright, let's jump in. Okay. Ew, I hate that sound. Oh no. I don't like this anymore. It's just the office. For now, it just looks like the office. Oh, Jeff. Wait, I have to do the ritual. Wait, give me a second. Okay, I'm gonna do the my name is Jeff me. Okay, I don't like that there's a vent here. Oh wait, guys, this is the entrance to get in the office. Wait, come here. So I guess they just made a shortcut for lazy people. Bro. How did you get stuck in the floor? So guys, from the looks of it, they just made a shortcut for lazy people. Alright, I guess before we leave, we should check the background. Like, let's see if there's anything Oh wait, there is? Where? Where? Oh, okay, I'm coming. That's a mate? Oh no. Wait a minute, this is not usually here. Oh, I don't like this place anymore. Oh no, it's a woman. Oh, it's a guy. Stupid. Ooh! Ooh! Nikki! Don't look away. Bro, restart our game.
I just choked a band director. I'm gonna play my saxophone.
Are you prepared?
Alright. You're in call still. Alright guys, there's a few more things I want to check. First, let's check if they added anything new to the tech tree. Oh. Wait, no, not yet. Alright, did they add anything? They added a pinata bat. Are you serious? The second thing I want to check. Wait. Come on, one more thing. The next thing I want to check is I heard sneak peeks about them adding like a new area over here in this place. I want to see if they did. So it looks like they haven't added it, or maybe they just... So it looks like... So it looks like they haven't added anything, but I do think they will add stuff, because I've heard a lot of stuff about like stuff being back there. And there's also a huge fortress up there that's been up there for a really long time. Alright. What should we do next? Bro got a house. That's crazy. How big's your house? Really? I wonder, how big's your house? How big's your house? Oh, is that cardboard? But yeah, I see it. I mean, no! Oh, just so I go away! Where am I? The stash? What is this? Whoa. Is this the parkour area? Because I know they updated it back when the... How is your house $0? This thing is bigger than a mansion, not... These guys are stupid! Watch me make it. Oh, I made it. Why do you have to hold a button to respawn now? Oh, they did add new skins. I did see some of them already. I didn't see these or these. How long is 52 days? Damn. Is this like a Celebrate our 1 year anniversary with the OG bundle with our shiny new golden AC. Oh, okay. They've also got these things for 3 days. Those. Alright, we should end the video now. Alright guys, anyways, I'm going to end the video. If you did like the video, please like, subscribe, and comment. And subscribe to GTagCat32. See ya!